In today's video, I'll show you a brand new approach to make a lot of money online simply by utilizing Google Translate for free and potentially earning thousands of dollars. Simply follow the video's basic instructions. This requires no specific skills or knowledge. And the best part is that it is completely free and available all over the world. You have options whether you're from the United States and the United Kingdom, Canada, India, the Philippines, Nigeria, or Pakistan. This is the potential profit from today's plan. For translating 2 files using Google Translate, you can earn between $100 and $150. Similarly, if you translate 4 files, you can earn up to $450. And if you translate 8 files, you can earn up to $700, and the earning potential is vast because you can do it over and over. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel as well. Hit that notification bell button so that you will get notified whenever a new money-making video from our channel comes out. Also, share this to your friends and family so that you and everyone else will know this great tip to earn money. If you have any questions, concerns, or opinions about the video, just leave a comment below. We love to hear from you. So, in a moment, I'll walk you through the entire process. You may do it on your computer or phone, and I'll show you how to make a lot of money online with Google Translate if you follow my recommendations. To begin, visit this webpage. After I explain how this platform works, I'll display the URL of this website on the screen so you may check it out. I'd also like to demonstrate how to sign up in this video. Before you do it, I'll explain how it works as well as all of the procedures and training so you can accomplish exactly what I did. So right now, I'd like to demonstrate that this website has a lot of income potential. As you can see from the reward offer, there's a lot of earning potential ranging from $1,500 to $3,000. Allow me to briefly demonstrate how it works, and then I'll show you how to join up for a free sign-up bonus or free money in a moment. So don't miss out. To begin, when you sign up for this website, you'll have access to a variety of projects comparable to the ones I showed you. There are a variety of projects, offers, and jobs that you may participate in to earn US cash, Bitcoin, PayPal money, and a variety of other payments ways. So go to Latium website and check for a new project that has been uploaded, and then get to work straight immediately. The second step is to complete the project and then submit it to the Latium contract management system. Step 3, and this is what we all love about it, is that once your work has been inspected and accepted, your payment will be sent directly to your Latium wallet. So, when you go to latium.org, click on I want to work and then on this bottom right here. Then you'll be taken to the screen where you'll enter your first and last names, email address, and password. Then click I'm not a robot. And then continue. So once you've done that and joined, you should be able to get a free $1 sign-up bonus. But you must first verify your email address. So check your inbox and then click the activation link. This is so they can set up your relationship account. And once you join up, you should be able to see your free $1. You should be able to view all of the different projects that you can join and choose from after you enter into your account and click on Explore Projects. You can then execute the jobs and get paid. The issue is that there are so many projects and tasks to complete that I know many of you, like myself, lack experience in certain areas, such as graphic design, website software development, or usability testing. The good news is that you don't need any special skills or knowledge to achieve it. All you need to do now is concentrate on the translation and language. When you get out here, click on Translation and Language, and you'll see that there are various translation and language projects to choose from. Seen here, I'll demonstrate various online jobs where you may both receive and earn money. For example, you may be sent Hindi articles to translate from Hindi to English in exchange for $75, and you may also be asked to translate from Japanese to English in exchange for $75. So once you finish your work, they'll either pay you in cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin or other currencies listed above, or in US dollars by bank transfer, PayPal money, online money, or Pioneer. This website offers a range of payment choices, and here is an example of one of the articles provided, which is in Hindi. Now, if you know anything about Hindi or are from India, please let me know in the comment section below, because you can simply translate these Hindi articles into English and get money online. I understand that many of you are from all over the world and may not be able to translate different languages. But the thing is, In this video, I'm only going to show you how to use the power of Google Translate to do all of the work for you and automate the process so you can make money over and over again. But you'll have to follow my steps. If you like this video, please like and share it with your friends, subscribe using the red button, and leave a comment if you enjoyed it. It would be fantastic if you liked it, subscribe, switch on the notification bell, and left a comment below. We'll post a terrific new video next week that might be even cooler than all of this, where you can get money doing easy things like this. If we get 1,000 comments on this video saying I'll make money in 2022. So if this video receives 2,222 likes, we will release a fantastic brand new video that may be even wilder than this. So with that stated, it's time to get back to work and earn some money. Okay, now I want you to go to Google Translate, where you can copy and paste any language right here on the left and it will be instantaneously translated into English. However, this is quite small, so all you have to do is to go to translate.google.com to make it bigger. You'll be brought to this page if you click on this link, which is much easier to work on due to its larger size. So, first, paste the articles over here on the left, and then, once you have your job, you'll see where you can copy everything. And I'll copy this right here. So all I have to do now is right-click and copy this one, then return to Google Translate and paste everything in. So as you can see, Hindi is recognized, which means that Google Translate will recognize it as a Hindi language and will execute the translation into English, as you can see here. So all I need to do now is copy everything. So I'm going to replicate this one and then create a new one. Right-click the file and choose New. Then Documents, so I can paste my English translation into this new document right now. And then I'll start over. I'm going to come here and highlight the next part, and then I'm just going to copy this one again. And then I'll come back here and copy to this. And then I'll remove everything and just put the new content right here, and then I'll wait for the translation to English. So you can repeat the procedure as needed. You can also simply send the entire document as seen below. You can translate the text in the same way that I did. You may also use this page to browse your computer and submit the complete Google document to this Google Translator, which will quickly translate the entire document. We can then submit it to other jobs and offers and be compensated. For example, they'll pay you less for Hindi, but if you're lucky, you might get some Spanish, German, or even Japanese work, and they'll pay you up to $100 for each task. And all you have to do then is repeat the process. For example, I'll simply highlight this Japanese language and copy it, then return to Google Translate and put it right here, and you'll be converting your text into English in no time. It's a simple operation that I believe anyone can perform. Don't worry, you can do it on your phone or on your computer. To have this application or app do all the work for you, simply go to google.com and enter in Google Translator. That's all for today. I hope you learned something from this video and that I was able to help you find a new way to earn money online. As always, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel as well. Ring that notification bell button so that you will get notified for our next videos. Stay tuned for our next video and I'll see you there.